Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing what I think is the last ever Boxycharm, or at least Boxycharm by Boxycharm and not by Ipsy. This is the March 2023 box, although I am a little confused. I'm filming this on March the 14th, and I noticed when I logged into Ipsy, it has Boxycharm on there. I thought the transition was taking place in April, thus my confusion. However, I'm blonde-ish and almost always confused. So let's just dive in and see what this is all about. It's very heavy, which to me says lots of skincare, but I'm only speculating. In case anyone's new, welcome. This here is a $28 a month beauty subscription. You get 5 full-size products. Previously, we got to select 1 item. Starting in April, we will get to select 3 items. And there is a $1.99 handling fee, so just consider it a $30 box. Okay, yay! I thought I'd have to look on the little app. So this is officially the last Boxycharm with the card. I'm gonna miss the cards. Alright, so the theme this month is Planet Woman. I don't know why I said it like that. It sounded like it would be some kind of movie trailer. It is, I believe, International Women's Month, the month of March. So, yay, women. All right, so I am iteration... Wow, I don't know how to feel about that. I am iteration 1. I don't think I've ever been iteration 1. Isn't iteration 1 usually what the influencers get? All right, enough of me speculating. What is this first item? Oh, this looks familiar. Not that I've seen anyone unbox it, but Nola, I remember this in your picture of your box. What is this? Okay, it's from KOA Life, and it's a niacinamide booster. Ooh, I love niacinamide. Is booster a fancy way of saying serum? Ooh, the packaging's fancy. This is frosted glass, and it also is protected in like cellophane. And what do we get here? 30 ml. All right, let's see how much that costs and what the card has to say. All right, it says boost your current skincare regime with this booster serum. Okay, it is a serum. It retails for $35, and it is a new brand to Boxy. It's not so cheap where I feel like my box is cheap, but it's not super bougie pricey where if I fall in love, it will, you know, stab me in the heart to have to repurchase it. All right, next item. We have a box. Boxes usually are skincare. What is this? All right, this is Squalling Oat Milk Dry Erase Facial Scrub. What? What? Okay, I know what a facial scrub is. Dry erase. I think of like dry erase, like something at work or like to take notes on. Wait, okay, I gotta read the card. Wait, first, who is this? Feel It? Is that the wait? Oh, Do the Gods feels. This box. It's a midweeker, so we know how that goes. But I'm going to need to read a card because I am clueless. All right, it retails for $30. The card says tiny delicate silica crystals bind to a rich oat milk base to form the ultimate dry erase. Still didn't tell me what that means. Say goodbye to layers, years, and tears with this luxury dry erase facial scrub. Formulated with fatty squalene to protect new skin while the old skin washes away. Designed to be applied dry. The tiny magnesium oxide crystals are no... Wait. Is this an exfoliator where you don't need water? AKA Lazy Girl approved? I'm super intrigued. Next product. Okay, no wonder this box is so heavy. Where's the makeup? All right, so this here is from First Aid Beauty. It is the Cleansing Oil Makeup Remover. Okay, not Lazy Girl approved. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, how much does that retail for? $26. All right. I like a bifossil to get rid of my waterproof mascara. Oh, I wonder if it will work on that. For my face, no. I use micellar water and get ready to gasp. Makeup wipes. Okay, next product. Ooh, we have something from BEAUTE. Sorry for the shimmery shine. What is this? Okay, it's the Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. Okay, yay for makeup. All right, it has plastic around it. And then this feels like plastic, but it's made to look like metal. Ooh. Oh, yes. Okay. It is looking a little dark. Nola, is this the same shade you got? Okay. It's cream. So my first ooh was, yay, it's a cream product. But this looks like it's meant for someone with much deeper skin tone than I have. Does it say on the back what the formula is? Or, if it's like a medium versus a dark versus a light? No, it doesn't. Just Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. All right, let's see what the card has to say. No. This retails for $42? Dang. That for BEAUTE, that seems a little pricey to me. But, I don't know. Just, why is it gotta be so dark? Alright, are we box twins? Everything's looking super familiar to me. Alright, what is this last item? Looks to be some kind of a lip product. It's from a brand called Bel and Argent. I took French in college. But yeah, why do I gotta pretend like I speak it? Because I don't. Bel and Argent. I'll just say it with an American accent there. This is what? At Hello Nude? Wait, don't trick me. I recently had a lipstick that was called Nude, and it was a nude. All right, I'm going to read the card first before I dig into this. This is okay, it's a lip balm, and it retails for $18. Wouldn't any lip balm be nude? But maybe it's the type that has a little bit of pigmentation. Ooh, wow. That took me by surprise. Very shiny. It's not picking up on camera. If I go like this, it's purple. I don't know why my monitor is looking black. It's actually purple. Right there, purple. That is not nude. I'm sorry. That is straight up neon orange. Now, in real life, it's neon orange. In my bright lights, that's kind of orange, but it's way brighter. There we go. That's the orange I'm seeing. Would anyone call that nude? What is up? We had a pink nude. Now we have an orange nude. Well, Boxycharm, you could have gone off with like, oh, I'm going to miss you. No, this one was not a good box. All right, let's recap everything I got in the very last ever Boxycharm base box. We got a dry erase exfoliator from Dew of the Gods. Got a cleansing oil and makeup remover from First Aid Beauty. Got a tinted lip balm from Bel and Argent. A cream contour palette from Ace Beauty. And a niacinamide booster from KOA Life. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, is it April yet? Has the merger happened? WTF. This felt very heavy in skincare and not the kind of skincare I love and enjoy. I am excited to try this booster serum with the niacinamide. This one, I don't know. I haven't tried it. I swear I've received this before in some advent calendar or other subscription box. I just don't use oil cleansers to remove my makeup. I am fascinated by what this is. Hold on. Let's take it out of the box. Oh, interesting. I thought it'd be like a powder. It's a squeezy tube with mint green and like a violet. Is it safety sealed? It is safety sealed. I'm going to go watch somebody else's unboxing because if it's something I will never use, I don't want to waste it and or ruin it so that I can't put it in a giveaway. So sorry for the teaser there. What? I need to watch somebody else who unboxes this and actually swatches this. It is just, no. It's way too dark. I mean, yeah, there's this, but that's the wrong. I want this tone, but in a lighter shade. I don't know. I just need to see some swatches. But it looks to be way too dark. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of the box. Based off of the prices, a lot of things were $30 or higher. So it's going to be at least a $135 box. Much better than the AIA Beauty Bundle. If you missed that video. But I'm dying to hear your thoughts. Have you seen other people unbox this? If so, did we maybe all get the same box to make it an easy way to just end things? Or am I just super unlucky? Or did they confuse me with someone else and think that I am a gorgeous person with a deep dark tan? I don't know why I got such a dark cream contour. But let me know what you think of the other items. Would you be happy with this box, or are you like, good riddance? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And do me a huge favor. If you could click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.